Morning everybody, it is Tuesday 7th of April. I'm afraid I haven't been able to do a vlog every day, things have been busy. However, just a lot has happened since I last spoke. We had 12 largely successful lambing sessions, and then we had the other day, we came out on Saturday or Sunday, and Sunday, it was Sunday, and this ewe here had twins, but she had decided she didn't really want to be a mum. So we have done our best to help her to bond with these two little beauties down here, two ewe lambs, but she's not that friendly to them, and in fact she headbutts them a lot. We've tried to get her near them to let them feed, and she definitely prefers one actually to the other. The one with the darker nose nearer the wall is the one that she almost accepts, but this other little one here she doesn't actually, and she's really quite unkind. So we've made the decision to get these onto the bottle. I think they're going to become pet lambs now, that's a big commitment for us, and you have to first of all get them used to the bottle, which is quite tricky. You have to persevere and be quite patient, but actually she's really a little bit brutal. So we've tried to talk to, somehow something hasn't kicked in, and all of the other ewes, yes, I'm talking about you, have actually gone straight to their lambs, and they have licked them, and they make their little noise and talk to them. But actually, unfortunately, this ewe, it's her first lambs, and she just isn't interested. So we're going to put her out today, and she is going to join the rest of the flock, and we'll see how we go on from there. Okay, through the barn, this is where everything is. One day we'll talk about feeding. It's a little tractor, the quad. There is Nala. Hello Nala. There is Pingu. There is Ted, there is Poppy. Good morning. Okay, and it's a beautiful day. So we came out, I came out in the middle of the night because there was such a noise, because we have now 25 lambs, and they can't always find their mum in the night, or vice versa. The mum is looking for her lamb or lambs, and gosh, what a noise they make until they find them. So I was conscious that there was a lot of noise going on, and so I came out and found out that one of the lambs had tucked herself away into the field barn, and Mum just couldn't find her, so reunited them and then came back. So that was the middle of the night. Morning. There's Pat and Bo and Peep. Morning. We've put up this big Harris fencing at the moment because Peep likes to jump over to see her friend Manny. At the moment we need to keep them apart. Margaret's still going strong, no kids. I got the dates completely wrong. She actually went to her billy goat a week after our ram Barney went into the ewes, so actually in with the ewes, and so her due date is actually this week, so got it slightly wrong, that's okay. So yes, this is where last night, so we've reconfigured. So in this field now we have got all of the mums and their lambs, and look, they're growing up. They have a little bit of independence, they sort of hang out together, they do have crazy time, and I'll try and get some footage of that, where you have lamb gangs charging around the place. Yet in the field beyond there's lots of grass, and they're loving it. So the mums have an hour of a bit of a treat, a bit of time for them, where they can go and have some tasty grass, because as you can see the grass is very low here, which is why they have the hay there. So that is where the other night Sophia 134 had her lambs, and that's where last night I found number 12 all curled up. Okay, so we've come out this morning and just feeding everything, bottle feeding the lambs in the barn over there, and then we came out and we found that 116 has just had a lamb, and she's doing a great job. She's licking it, she's drying it off, she's talking to it, all the things that should be happening, which unfortunately the very young ewe inside it's just not happening for her. I guess we have to accept that. And we also have another one that's actually in the distance is scraping the floor with her hoof, which means it's going to be a really busy day actually. So this side we have got those that are left to lamb, so not many to go. The end is in sight. Not that I'm in a rush, because we love it. It's fantastic. All is well with the world. Beautiful, beautiful weather. How lucky are we? I realise very much that we have this life and we can come out and see the pets, and it's really, really therapeutic. Very, very lucky indeed, and I'm so glad I can share it with you. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all safe and well, and in some way able to enjoy this amazing weather. Speak to you again soon. This is Timolina and Maxalina, the pet lambs, I think we're going to call them, and they have just learned now to take the bottle, and they're doing really, really well with it. So pleased. They actually were bleating to have some food, which is a real step forward for us, which is because up until then we've had to tube them, which isn't as nice at all. It's not great, and they don't have that contact, but this is really good. So this is day one properly of the bottle feeding, which is obviously going to be lots and lots of fun. Aren't they beautiful? I'm sure you'll see a lot more of these to come.